What's all you guys, John's Moto Garage, welcome to the channel. I'm not going to do a step-by-step how-to. We're tearing into the clutch on the Dyna and I really just want to knock it out and get it done. So I'll show you some of the things along the way, but basically I'm just going to have the camera sitting there. I'll probably speed it up and then I'll show you a few things here and there. Real quick, let's jump into what I got for the project. For starters, I got some Redline synthetic V-twin primary case oil, 3 quarts of that good stuff. Barnett, I went with the Barnett Performance. It's got an extra plate and I also got a stiffer spring that I'll show you here in a second. This is supposed to give you like, I don't know, 20% more surface area. I'm gonna take these and get them soaking in some of the primary fluid here. Bam. Just like so. Doesn't say you have to douse it, it just says to soak it, but get them on there pretty good. That ought to do the trick. Here we got the Barnett, another dope Barnett sticker. Bam. We got the new primary gasket. Go. Shout out to my sponsor, Bikes and Boats and Bivouacs, Scott, way out on the East Coast. Thanks again, man. He sent me a shirt a while back, and I haven't sported it yet on the channel, so I've got it hanging in the background. Shout out, Scott. Go check out his channel. Already gonna have to run out and grab something because I don't have the right pieces for that. So I already gotta run, grab some more gear, and then I'll be back to finish this off. All right, 50 bucks later and a quick trip to Harbor Freight, and I think we've got the right tools this time. All right, 2 trips later to Harbor Freight, I finally got the tools I need just to get this primary cover off. There we go. Oh my gosh. That is obviously not what you want happening. What nasty crude oil. That we take it off the right way. So you start with friction and then do steel. Last plate in should be a friction plate. So start with friction, then we'll do steel. So basically what happened is I'm midway through the Dyna clutch rebuild yesterday, and I get to where I'm putting the new Barnett clutch on, or the new Barnett heavy duty spring. Long story short, they sent me the wrong part. I ordered the right part number, but they sent me the wrong part. Moral of the story, always check the part number before you tear into the bike. Alright, what's up you guys, John's Moto Garage. We are back at it, and I finally got the new piece, and I finally got the new stiffer clutch spring from Barnett, and it's the one that actually fits. I was sent the wrong part number last time. It wasn't Barnett that sent me the part, so don't take it out on them. Anyway, I was just anxious to throw it on and see if it worked, so I went ahead and did that already. But I haven't tightened everything down just yet. I'm gonna pull this off, put some Loctite on the bolts, and see how it goes. So, as you can see, these busted right off, and it felt like I was torquing these way too tight, but I checked like 3 sources, and they all said 100 foot-pounds, and that's what I have this set at. And I literally busted out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 6 bolts busted right off. So now this went from being just a clutch kit rebuild to I have to replace this entire piece here. I have no idea how much that's gonna cost. Oh boy.